Congratulations! You found your dream home and have an accepted contract. There are many important steps that need to happen before keys exchange hands, so stay tuned to see what we're working on while you prepare for your big move. When we at Louisville Title receive the contract from your realtor, attorney, or lender, we assign a processor who will be your key contact throughout the process of getting your purchase to the closing table. Our team of skilled professionals will comb through the details of the purchase, coordinating all parties involved to make your transaction as seamless as possible. We begin by searching all available public records to identify potential issues that could affect your new home, like mortgages, liens, real estate taxes, easements, or other rights of way. Louisville Title has the most comprehensive in-house title library in Northwest Ohio, allowing us to search public records from up to 180 years ago right from our downtown headquarters. This equips us to provide more timely and accurate title searches for your peace of mind. In the meantime, we are working with your financial institution to obtain a clear to close. This means all conditions have been satisfied and closing is ready to be scheduled with all parties. Prior to closing, Louisville will ensure all title issues have been cleared for closing, wire instructions have been shared, and everyone is prepared for closing day. Please remember to bring your photo ID, and if married, bring your spouse. Your closing will be held at one of our 3 convenient locations where we facilitate the signing of documents, disperse funds, and record the deed and mortgage. Our skilled closers are trained to walk you through the process with care and can answer questions as they arise. Once the ink has dried, Louisville records the documents with the county and issues your title insurance policy, which ensures your ownership and protects and defends you against financial loss from a claim on your property. Buying a home is a significant investment, and at Louisville Title, we want to make sure you know what you're getting. Our goal is to keep you legal, safe, and secure through the process. We love repeat business and hope to see you at your next closing. Thank you for choosing local. Thank you for choosing Louisville Title. If you are a realtor, Louisville Title has a number of tools to help make your marketing more effective and make your client's experience even better. Contact us today to find out more.